Good morning. We're here at EverBank Field, also known as the Jaguar Stadium. Well, today we're doing something exciting that you probably will never see anywhere else. Getting ready to lift these pergolas and these Fenetex screens up and out of the stadium, getting ready for the Florida-Georgia game that happens this weekend. So this was a pretty unique project. It started 2 years ago. The stadium wanted to create an event space, but it had to be removable because for the Florida-Georgia football game, they have to set up temporary extra seating for thousands of people. These are picked up with a crane, set outside in the parking lot, and then returned. The way we manufacture the screens enables this entire thing to come out, skied on a crane, and then come back in and be put back into its bolt plates, and everything works. The big game is over, and now we're setting the pergola and the screens back for the Jaguars. Taking the pergolas from the parking lot, lifting them up over the stadium walls with a crane, drop them back into their original position, hooked up power. Let's see how they work. So they're looking great. You can see the screen stays flat. This has to do with the self-adjusting track. It's spring-loaded inside. What that does is even if we push on the screen, it bounces right back into its original position. Now we're going to take apart a small demonstration piece and show you how it works from the inside. Now inside the cover is a small spring, and that leaf spring is what tensions the side track. When I take off the cover, you're going to see how the spring is located just in here. What happens is this track moves in and out, but when I put the cover on, now this track is under tension. And that's how the self-adjusting system works. Fenetex is about innovation. A lot of times companies will come to us when they have a difficult problem to solve. We designed a system that's better than anything else in the market. When it comes to a mission-critical application, Fenetex is your go-to company.